Inspire, motivate, challenge.
You are talking to a young person now.
Yeah.
You know, because we know that some of the biggest organizations were started from school, maybe like a Facebook, Microsoft, and things like that. But now you are talking to a young person, maybe in Nigeria today, and they want to start a company. I almost said start a startup. Is that something that people say?
Yeah, venture into startup.
Venture into a startup.
Yeah.
What would you tell them? How would they go about it? Okay, I'm a young student today. I have an idea. What am I going to do? What are the steps I need to take?
Well, you know, a lot of ideas are accidental, right? Some just happen. In fact, there are some ideas that customers are already paying you before the light actually came out. Like, okay, you can make money from this thing actually, right? But if you are not there, where you have to look at, you know, taking an idea from your head, not idea from the market, not idea from customer. In other words, somebody comes with a problem and they want you to solve it, and that way, right? So that is a different context. So if you have an idea that you're taking to market, one very important thing is to always think, right? What problem am I solving? Who am I solving the problem for? Are they willing to pay for this solution that will solve their problem? What are the alternatives that they have? And what is the cost of that alternative compared to what I'm offering? And how do I start very small? I didn't say small. How do I start very small, right? What would the experiment look like? For example, if you're going into a tech thing, don't write codes. You don't need codes, right? Is there something you can create with existing apps? Is there a non-app thing you can put together? In fact, can you do without the technology at all and sell it traditional way, hardcore, just talking or writing or something that doesn't involve any form of technology? Why? Because
sorry to interrupt you there, but are you saying this because it's Nigeria specifically?
Everywhere in the world. This is how you validate your idea, right? You must be able to look at what does a pilot look like? What does a test, of this look like? What does an experiment look like? I mean, for PBR, one of our products is called Versus. The current Versus platform is version 6, right? Version 6. The first one we built, I paid 60,000 naira to one guy in, Lagos, one corner that I had to go and meet. It was a disaster, right? So I was still learning at that point. So you need to think of how do you validate this idea in a way that is very cheap. In fact, if it doesn't involve money at all, that would be the best way, right? And if it involves money, your own money, right? From your own pocket, 1,000 naira, 2,000 naira, just want to check. Or you have friends that can also help you put together something, for free, and you want to test it. This is how every product has been built. A lot of the global brands today, especially in the tech world, this is how it starts. Yeah.